Here I have two sets of data. My task is to bring the amount and the vendor code for reconciliation purpose. But the problem is that the document number has been repeated in each year. As you can see, I have date range from 21 to 25. Now if I use any lookup function such as VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, the first row of data will be searched by the lookup functions. For example, I have doc 1005 document number over here. If I use the lookup function, so for this date, this data will be picked up, which is correct. But this document number is again appearing in the third row. Again the same number will appear, but I would like to bring this amount because it is related to this particular date. How can we achieve that? I'm gonna explain in this video. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel, like the video and do comment. Let's get started. First of all, we will convert both the tables in the official format of table to do the work efficiently. So select any cell, come to the insert, click on table. Make sure my table has header option has been enabled. Click on OK. Change the format if you like. Repeat the same in the next data set. Insert table OK. To achieve this, we need to create one unique value. For this, we will use the concatenate function. So I will add a new column over here. So I'll give the heading unique data. Once we enter any heading and press enter, the column would be added automatically. So I will use concatenate to make one unique value. So concatenate function, press tab. I'll give document number. Now if I combine the date with the document number, that becomes the unique number which can be applied to bring the correct data in front of the correct document with the year. Press comma and select the document date, close the bracket and press enter. Now we have document number with the date and that becomes the unique value. So if you see doc 1005 here has a different value and here has a different value. Same thing we will do here. Concat. I will select document number, comma, document date and press enter. Now we will use XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP as this is the latest and the advanced. Then the VLOOKUP, comma, XLOOKUP, press tab. The lookup value would be the unique value, comma. This is the unique data. So put your cursor on the heading. The mouse arrow would be converted into the down arrow. This is the indication that we can select the complete row. Now comma. So which data we need to bring? We have to bring the amount. I'm gonna select amount and in the next argument, if not found, the value is not found in the original table, what information we would like to display in that amount. So in this case, I would like to bring 0. So I can type any text or the number. In case we enter the text, it must be in the quotation mark. So I am entering NA, closing the quotation mark, and then we can close the bracket and press enter. Let's do the check. So here we have some repeated values like doc 1001. So I will filter this. I will copy and I will filter and we can see this document in 23 3711.84. That is correct. In 24 we have 2174. That is also correct. And 5631. That is also correct. Now I can unfilter. So we will repeat the same action for bring the vendor code. Equal sign XLOOKUP, lookup value would be unique value and the lookup array would be this one, comma, and I would like to bring vendor code and this time I would like to enter 0 instead of NA. Closing the bracket, press enter. We got our correct answer and we can do the check. So this trick will be helpful to do the reconciliation. Hopefully you like this video. If yes, then hit on the like button, do comment and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family who are interested in such wonderful videos. Thank you friends. Please come back again.